Yes guys, you heard correct, WhatsApp account. For this the attacker needs to access the victim's Android phone. That I had already shown in my previous video lecture how they perform that. If you guys had not watched that video yet, then watch that video out after watching this one by simply going to description box below. So, let's start this video after watching this little intro out. And yeah, now you could see we are having two Android phones, let's say, one of victim and another of an attacker, and here, an attacker will open his own WhatsApp app, and will enter the mobile number of victim, and will click on next. After entering, attacker would have to enter the OTP that would have been sent to victim's phone, but as you know, the victim's phone would not be in his or her hands, so, for that we need to open the meter-preter session, that you will understand. In the previous video I talked about, and you will get, what it is and how need to. So, after opening the session, need to type, the command dump _SMS. And we'll get, fetching SMS messages, notification, and now, need to copy the name of the .txt file from this section, now need to paste this name into Windows search bar below. After pasting, you need to open the found file, and after opening it, we'll find the top message with containing OTP. After that you very well know, how that attacker will use this OTP for. So, thanks for watching this video out guys, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Cybertonian, and forward this video to your friends, so that they will also be safe and secure. So, bye guys. We'll meet you in next video. Until then be safe and secure, peace be upon you, of Almighty.